What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Let's Talk Money. I'm Nikolai Timashuk Jr., and today we're going to be talking about how Robinhood continues to steal from the poor and why Robinhood won't allow the poor to get rich and they just want the rich to continue getting richer. Oh man, this is a good conversation because so as Mr. Elon Musk, the absolute Doge father, goes on SNL, and Doge is supposed to go to the moon. Instead, it goes the complete opposite way. And let's insert like a... Yeah, that happened. And unfortunately, yeah, everybody thought it was going to the moon, and it's not. And let's see where it is exactly at this point of me making this video, because I was supposed to be a millionaire last night, and that didn't happen, unfortunately. And that is up to Robinhood. Right now, it is trading at 54 cents per Doge, or Doge. See it? Got it? It's kind of terrible, but you get the gist. I can't really make it any better right there, but you get the gist. It's at now it's down to 53, and yesterday at peak moment of when it was supposed to make me a millionaire, it was at 72 cents, I believe, somewhere around there, maybe 71-ish. And then it absolutely plummeted. And that's not cool, Robinhood. Why do you continue to want the rich to get richer and the poor to stay poor? Because I'm just trying to be a millionaire off of a meme coin that's supposed to go only to the moon, and that is it. So everybody else is becoming millionaires, you know, buying in at like 0.0007 and then just becoming a millionaire. And then Robinhood decides to crash. A lot of those people lost $1 million literally in seconds. Some people who shorted it actually bet against Dogecoin going to the moon. And I wonder why. Are they friends? Is he friends with Robinhood, Mr. CEO? I want to know. But anyways, let's talk a little bit about this. Let's jump right into it, and let's see why Robinhood keeps doing this. Now, everybody's pretty familiar with Robinhood, and what's crazy is that Robinhood actually gained a ton of users when they completely stopped trading GameStop. When everybody was getting rich, not me, of course, because I'm still trying to get rich off of Dogecoin, a freaking meme coin. Everybody was getting rich, you know, shorting it and doing this, doing that, and GameStop stock ends up going through the roof. And guess what? Guess what Robinhood does? They shut down. They say, no, you can't. No, you cannot. The rich ain't gonna keep getting richer, so we gotta pause. The poor are not gonna get rich, so we gonna pause. Well, let's talk about that. So all of a sudden, Robinhood's servers go down while SNL is on. Elon Musk is on there with Miley Cyrus, Kid Leroy, and the freaking coin of the century that's supposed to make everybody millionaires. And all of a sudden these servers go down. Why did the servers crash? Tell me why the servers crashed. I want to know. I want to know why I'm not a millionaire this morning when I woke up. I want to know why it plummeted 20 cents or 30 cents. Not cool, Robinhood. That is not cool. I'm over here telling people to use Robinhood and buy more Doge, and instead, when we're all trying to, you know, go to the moon, you end up crashing the servers on your own time and just hitting a pause button. There's probably a pause button back there, and they're like, pause. Okay, Doge not to the moon. Unpause. Now somebody else gets rich. Well, that sucks, okay? I'm trying to get rich here. Not cool what you did. And while I'm talking about Robinhood and Dogecoin and why I'm not a millionaire, let me go ahead and ask you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell. Turn on your post notifications. I need to grow this channel so bad, and the only way I'll do it is if y'all help me out. Go ahead and show some love. Drop a comment below. All right, let's get back to what we're talking about. Now, the most interesting part about this is, you know, when you're in a relationship with somebody, let's say it's a friendship or a girlfriend, boyfriend, marriage, whatever, and you know that this person's a liar. And you allow them a second chance. And then they lie again to you. And you keep letting them lie to you because you're getting used to that behavior. And eventually you become numb to it. And guess what Robinhood did? They did not allow people that were poor to get rich the first time. Okay, GameStop situation, insert there. Then we're all trying to get rich off of Dogecoin, a freaking dog coin that's a meme. And all of a sudden the servers go down. And guess what? We're all still using Robinhood. We're upset. We're going to talk about it for a couple days. You're going to see tons of these videos coming out how Robinhood is this and Robinhood is that. Even after I'm done making this video, what am I going to do? Check my Robinhood account. Because what? Doge to the moon. It's one of the most simplest apps to use. So I'm like mad, but I still love you. But come on now. Like, at least put like $1 million in my account so that I just ain't mad at y'all anymore, and let's see what happens from there. Because, you know, I was expecting Doge to go to the moon. So was everybody else. My cousin was. You know, we were waiting on it, and all of a sudden it just tanked. And I'm like, dude, I should have sold at 71 cents, made a couple $100, you know. And I was hoping Mother's Day I was gonna buy my mom a house and all this good stuff. And now look, she's, you know, I took her out to lunch, but that's only $40. I was gonna buy her a whole house and not have to worry about the mortgage or anything like that. But all in all, I really want to know what y'all think. Do you think Robinhood is really sitting there, you know, hitting like a pause button? Our servers are down. Oh, we don't have enough, you know, space to do this. We don't have enough funds. We don't have enough capital. What is it that Robinhood is going through that's causing this type of, you know, terrible infrastructure on a trading app that's supposed to be simple, that's supposed to be very user friendly, where you can trade quickly, you know, no fees and none of this, none of that. Well, all of a sudden, every time that there's this speculation about something going somewhere and people making a ton of money, Robinhood says, no, not today. So what do you think is actually going on here? You know, losing a couple million versus a couple thousand, that's a huge difference. So I want to know what y'all think out there. You know, what's actually going on with Robinhood? Why are they doing this? And why am I not a millionaire this morning? Was it really the servers, or is there some behind the scenes trading going on that we're not allowed to know? And they're getting rich while I'm still using the app, telling people to use it, and I'm just sitting on a couple thousand of freaking Dogecoin instead of a couple million. Alrighty, y'all, so this is not a long video. I just want some opinions. I want some facts. I want people that are doing research right now, going crazy over this Robinhood stuff of shutting down the servers, when Mr. Elon Musk himself, Mr. Tesla, Mr. PayPal, Mr. Doge Father, Mr. Everything, Mr. I can tweet out something and make the whole world stop for a second and make life on Mars. I want to know what y'all think about all this, so drop a comment below. But while you're doing that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, make sure you hit that like button, that share button, and drop a comment below so I know exactly what y'all want to talk about. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.